When does the OfferLab affiliate launch start? Now, as is often the case in life, it's not what you know, it is who you know, and you ended up in the right place because most people do not have access to sign up as an affiliate yet. You see right here, I'm actually in the back end. In the actual software for OfferLab, here are a bunch of people who are already adding products in. I've got to start adding some of my own products in. I've also been applying and building funnels with different. It's so cool, guys. But what you actually care about right now is signing up as an affiliate. Down below this video, if you click on that link, it's going to bring you to this page so you can sign up to be an affiliate. The launch is going to be here on September 3rd. After September 3rd, I'll turn it into a normal affiliate link, as I assume they'll have that. Now, there's a couple details here. Obviously, Russell will walk you through all the details, but you'll get 100% commissions on the upsell, which is a $500 upsell, and it's a no-brainer upsell. It's actually a really, really good offer. So you'll get that, but truthfully, and this is going to sound silly until you understand it, but the $500 is nothing. That is not why you're promoting this. You're promoting it for this reason right here. When you sign somebody up, so you're going to go out, you're going to promote it, you're going to run ads, you're going to do whatever. You're going to go to your email list, you're going to create content, everything. Every creator and every affiliate who signs up under you, and when they make money, you get 4% of their money. Now, that can change. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4%. Russell explains all that here. But you get a percentage of that volume. Let's say, for example, you brought in a high-ticket coach who processed $100,000 a month. You get a check for $4,000 every single month from them for life, because if they sign up under you, they're under you for life. So go out, sign up as many people as you can, right under this video, click the link, take you to this page, sign up. You will be very happy that you did.